Hello dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine and same is the case with me. जैसा कि आपको मालूम है, कल के वीडियो में मैंने बोला था कि ये सीरीज कंटिन्यू चलेगी जब तक कि नरेशन का टॉपिक एंड नहीं होता है। तो आज मैं इसी टॉपिक को कंटिन्यू करने के लिए आपके सामने फिर से हाजिर हूँ और उम्मीद है कि आप इस वीडियो को वॉच करेंगे, अच्छी तरह से कीनली वॉच करेंगे। तो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू दिस टॉपिक ऑफ नरेशन हियर. So let us concentrate here on these two statements that are in direct speech. Okay dear, first sentence is reading this way. He said, I am writing a letter. This, as I have told in earlier video, this portion is the reporting verb and this is reported speech. And you know, here I will change this very sentence here and then I will elaborate how it goes. He said that he was writing a letter. Okay, let us notice the change that has taken place while we change this into this means direct into indirect. First of all, here the comma normal है punctuation comma and the inverted commas in which we normally put a quote or any thing told by the third person. So this comma and these inverted commas are removed here. This simple है, ये सबको मालूम है. ये कामा और इन्वर्टेड कामा जो है इनको रिमूव किया जाता है और उसके बाद जो स्टेटमेंट आगे का है यानी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच है उसमें क्या अंतर आता है, उसमें क्या चेंज आ जाती है. लेट अस फोकस हियर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस प्रोनाउन फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन. व्हाट अबाउट दिस, हाउ टू चेंज दिस? वेरी ब्रीफली प्रिसाइजली आई एम सेइंग दिस. यू जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल इज चेंज्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. मींस अगर यहाँ पे थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है तो यानी ही शी है तो यहाँ पर भी इसी के अनुसार ये चेंज होगा. यानी इफ इट इज ही हियर दिस आई विल बी चेंज्ड इनटू ही. इफ इट इज शी हियर देन इट विल बिकम शी. ओके, क्लियर? सो लेट अस मूव अहेड. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज हियर ही इंस्टेड ऑफ नाउ आई. ओके, नाउ दिस इज आई एम राइटिंग प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस एज यू नो because I agrees with am. The helping verb and writing is then continuous form, non-finite, इसमें change आता ही नहीं है. Okay, तो this got changed into was writing, that is past continuous here. तो जैसे कि मैंने कल बोला है इसके लिए कि if the reporting verb is in past tense means said is past of say, so it is clear now it is in past tense. So the reporting verb, the reported speech here and especially the verb here, that is am writing, this phrase collectively made up of helping verb and main verb and which shows continuous tense. Okay, it is changed according to the tense now in which tense that we change it into its corresponding tense in past. Means this is present continuous and it will get converted into past continuous tense here. Okay, that is why it is here was writing. It is here was writing. Okay, then it is objective will remain same as it is there. Okay, now let us go to this second sentence. How it will be changed? Okay dear, now let us see the next sentence. He says, I am writing a letter. Okay, let us understand this. If the case is same, I am writing a letter as in case of previous sentence, how it will be changed here? Okay, let us convert it. He says that in place of comma and inverted comma, that he instead of this as per this pronoun rule change. तो जो प्रोनाउन है जिस रूल के अनुसार चेंज हो जाते हैं इसके अनुसार आई के बदले ही. तो नाउ इट इज एम राइटिंग. हाउ वी विल चेंज इट? I would like to give you a clue here. Often statements are asked there because they are confusing for us. Where we normally remember the rule that present continuous will be changed into past continuous and we hastily do it. No, this is not going to be the case. We have to notice here the difference. As I will tell you the rule here. If this reporting verb part is in present tense, says is actually present of say, it is used with he, third person singular, then says form, says version. Okay, so now what about this I am writing? It will remain same. Is writing a letter. मीन्स कि इसका टेंस चेंज नहीं हुआ, इसका वर्जन चेंज हुआ, डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट पंक्चुएशन चेंज हो गई, दैट आ गया, आई के बदले ही आ गया, दिस इज चेंज ऑफ प्रोनाउन, दिस इज सर्टेन टू टेक प्लेस, बट द चेंज ऑफ टेंस विल नॉट टेक प्लेस, इट विल रिमेन इन सेम टेंस, दैट इज प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. Now only difference we see here is that here it was am and here it is. This is subject verb agreement case. I के साथ am agree करता है और he के साथ is agree करता है. This is simple है. Okay dear. And what is more about this rule? In it is continuation. I would like to say if this same reporting verb is in future now, he will say, I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. Okay then. तो इस के बारे में क्या है? What about this will say? This is future. Okay. तो in this case the rule is same as here. यानी जब रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब फ्यूचर में है तो ये यहाँ पर फिर चेंज नहीं हो जाएगा, यानी इसका टेंस जो है, रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच का टेंस जो है वो चेंज नहीं होगा, वो सेम इसी टेंस में रहेगा. यानी अगर हम इसको चेंज करेंगे तो हम कहेंगे he will say that he is writing a letter. He is writing a letter. Okay dear. Now I think it is clear now, and let us go ahead with the more examples of this first rule, that is the past case, when the reporting verb is in past. Let us go ahead with that very case with further examples of that very type. Okay dear students, let us go ahead with this first rule, that is the case of past, when the reporting verb is in past tense. How we are going to change the different cases. As you know, there are different tenses: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous, past indefinite, past continuous. What about those? Okay, let us take at least one or two examples from each so that we understand each and every situation here. Okay, let us take example of this tense first. He said, comma and comma begin, I play cricket. He said I play cricket. This is in past version, but this is now in present indefinite. You should have or simple present, because first form of verb is used here, and no helping verb is before it, and no ing form is simple enough. It is simple present. Okay. Now, how we will change it? As told earlier, this present indefinite will be changed into past indefinite. Simple enough. He said that he played cricket. No complication here. कोई भी complication इसमें नहीं है, कोई confusion रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Simply this first form is changed into second form, present form is changed into past form. Okay, and the rule of change of pronoun is same everywhere. Yes, there now two more pronouns are there. That is first person. I have discussed it here. Singular only and plural remains. Same is the case with that. Okay. Then there is second person and third person. While giving the examples, I will elaborate them as well. Okay, you go on watching. Number 2. This is present indefinite. You change it into past indefinite. आप यहाँ पे ध्यान रखेंगे स्ट्रक्चर का. सब्जेक्ट प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट, सब्जेक्ट प्लस सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. क्लियर? ओके. नाउ लेट अस गो टू कंटिन्यूअस. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. case that is changed into past continuous. Okay dear, let us take an example. He said, comma with commas begin, my brother plays basketball. Okay, let us change the examples. He said that. Now my brother is what we say. You might remember in earlier video, the very first video, I told you subjects are nouns, pronouns are noun phrases that include some determiners with them. That means pronouns. This my possessive pronoun, brother, this combined is called here noun phrase, and it performs here as a subject of the verb, that is play. That is play. So now how to change this subject? No doubt this my is possessive. This my is possessive form of I. In a first person singular की possessive form my है, but the rule is same. It will be changed according to this. यानी now it is possessive form in third person. That is his brother. What about this play? Say played basketball. Okay, let us move ahead with another example of present perfect. Present perfect is changed into past perfect. Past perfect. Okay, let us take an example. He said, comma and commas begin, my sister has completed MA degree or course, we should say. He said my sister has completed MA degree or course. Now let us change this. He said that. Again, my sister, his sister has completed MA degree or course. As you like to say degree or course. So this is present perfect gets changed into past perfect. Okay, sorry, here I haven't had, it is actually had, because in present perfect we use has or have depends upon the subject. If the subject is first person singular I, first person plural we, or you or they or any plural subject, then it is certain to come there have. Okay, तो जहाँ तक इसका ताल्लुक है, my sister again will change into his sister, and has here will change into had. Completed will remain same because it is again non-finite verb. आपको मालूम होगा, बताता चलूँ कि finite और non-finite verb में यही फर्क है कि finite verb changes the tense as per the rule is it follows the subject verb agreement everywhere, but non-finite verb is not bound to follow such type of no change takes place in it. The change takes place only the helping verb that is preceding it. जो इससे पहले helping verb आता है auxiliary verb, उसमें change आ जाती है, तो ये non-finite verb अपनी same position में रह जाती है. तो यहाँ पर हमें और एक भी confusion clear हो जाएगा, और एक बात हमारी समझ में आ जानी चाहिए कि what is the difference between past simple and past continuous. Past simple and past continuous, or present perfect or past perfect. ओके, यहाँ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट एंड पास्ट सिंपल, ये सब चीजें हमको इंटरलेट करनी पड़ेगी. ओके, लेट अस टेक वन एग्जांपल हियर. दिस इज नाउ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट एंड देयर इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस. आफ्टर दैट आई शैल गो ऑन प्रेजेंट दिस पास्ट इंडिफिनिट, एंड एट दैट टाइम आई विल क्लियर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट एंड व्हाट वी से सिंपल पास्ट. सिंपल पास्ट, दैट विल क्लियर इट मोर हियर. ओके, तो I was saying you this sentence. He said my sister has completed MA degree. He changed it like he said that his sister had completed MA degree. Okay, this is present perfect is changed into past perfect, means third helping verb has have plus third form of verb is changed into had plus third form of verb is same. We have precisely saying we have to take care of only helping verb that has or have, that will both will change into had. दोनों अगर has है या have है तो दोनों had में change हो जाएंगे, कोई उसमें कोई complexity नहीं है. So it is easy enough to understand this and to remember this for future use. Okay dear, let us move ahead with further examples of, now it is present perfect continuous and then it is past simple and past continuous. Okay my dear students, hope you are attentive here and you are listening to me what I am saying. Okay dear, now the case is here it was present perfect and now it is present perfect continuous. 1 2 3 4. Present perfect continuous is changed into past perfect continuous. Now let us focus upon this. Okay, let me put an example here before you. She said, it is my final sem or semester of MSc. She said, it is my final sem of MSc. Okay, now let us change it into indirect. She said that. Now what about this it? इसके बारे में क्या, what is going to be the logic to change this it? No logic at all, simple है ना. It is what we say a neutral sort of pronoun, neither it represents male nor female. So it is sometimes what we say anticipatory, it is going to introduce some sort of fact. Okay, so it will remain same as it is, but it is punctuation will change. It is here capital letter and we will use small letter. Okay, that it was, now it is my final is my is will change into was, and this my possessive will change into her because it is male here she. जैसे कि मैंने पहले ही बोला है कि फर्स्ट पर्सन जो है सिंगुलर है या प्लूरल है उसके रिलेटिव जो भी प्रोनाउंस है, चाहे वो पॉजिटिव है चाहे वो मतलब रिफ्लेक्सिव है वगैरह, तो वो सब इसके अनुसार चेंज हो जाते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. तो मतलब इसके रिलेटेड जो फिर पॉजिटिव है या रिफ्लेक्सिव है वट एवर इट इज द केस में भी, तो वो इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं आगे वाले मतलब पार्ट में. शी सेड दैट इट वाज हर फाइनल सेमेस्टर of MSc. Okay dear, it is clear. Now let us go to one more case. What about past simple or past indefinite? Past simple या past indefinite के मुताबिक हम कैसे करेंगे सॉल्व इस सिचुएशन को? Okay dear, past simple is changed into past perfect. यहां मैं आपको बताता चलूं, at the very beginning of this lecture or previous video I should say, मैं उसी में ये सारे पहले लिख देता, लेकिन मैंने क्या देखा है कि जब हम इनको पहले ही लिख देते हैं फिर एक एक करके उनको एलाबोरेट करते हैं तो तब तक हमारे दिमाग से रूल चले जाते हैं कि हमने क्या सीखा था उधर, क्या हमें बताया गया था कि कौन सा. अब मैं इसीलिए साइमल्टेनियसली रूल प्लस एक्सप्लेनेशन विद एग्जांपल. ओके, पास्ट सिंपल इज चेंज्ड इनटू पास्ट परफेक्ट. ओके, ही सेड I wrote a novel. उसने कहा कि मैंने एक नॉवल लिखा है. ओके, सिंपल पास्ट मीन्स सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. ओके, he said I wrote a novel. He said that he had written a novel. Okay dear, let us know note the change. This is now clear. Here it is he and here it will automatically become he. wrote, second form of verb will get changed into third form of verb, and plus had helping verb, because the structure of past perfect is third form of verb, and before it there is helping verb had. Okay, now it is clear to you. Simple past structure gets changed into past perfect. यानी जब पास्ट सिंपल में हम मतलब चलते हैं तो सब्जेक्ट प्लस सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब सीधे, तो लेकिन जब पास्ट परफेक्ट में चलते हैं तो सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब। ओके, जो भी सब्जेक्ट है आइडेंटिकल हैड विद एवरीवन, तो इसी तरह यहां पर भी जो भी सब्जेक्ट है रोट विद एवरी सब्जेक्ट, इसमें कोई अंतर नहीं है, ये पहले भी बता चुका हूं। जैसे कि सिंपल प्रेजेंट के बारे में ये भी बता चुका हूं मैं कि उधर सब्जेक्ट्स के है मतलब वेरिएशन के हिसाब से वर्ब्स की फॉर्म बदल जाती है, लेकिन यहां पर इट रिमेन्स सेम। ओके डियर, लेट अस मूव अहेड नाउ विद व्हाट इज देयर। I think we have skipped one, tell us that is present perfect continuous, and we should now discuss that. Okay. Okay, dear students. Present perfect continuous is changed into past perfect continuous. एक्चुअली हमें है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट के बाद सीधे इस पे जाना था। एनीवे, इट इज ह्यूमन नेचर। ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस मीन्स सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज ओब्लिक हैव और है एंड प्लस बीइंग कंटिन्यूअस एंड आईएनजी फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब। ओके, सो हम एग्जांपल पे जाएंगे सीधे। ही सेड माय फ्रेंड has been pursuing MA English. He said my friend has been pursuing MA English. Okay, he said that his friend has been will be changed into had been। सिंपल सी बात है।